Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have something really special from Epomaker. This is the Carbonis gaming mouse. It's made out of carbon fiber composite and it's super amazing. It's got like really great specs, super lightweight, uh, basically the top specs of 2026 of any mouse you can find. So it's got a 3-mode connection, it's got a digital display and it's right-handed. The digital display is literally right here in the middle. It's got an ergonomic design to it, so it fits your hand perfectly. Up to 8,000 hertz of pulling rate, so that's super low latency. If we have a look on the back right here, we have some specs. So 3-mode connection, as I said, wired 2.4 gigahertz with a dongle and Bluetooth. The chip, it's a PAW3950. The pulling rate, as I said, it can go up to 8,000 for wired and 2.4 gigahertz and 125 hertz for Bluetooth, which is quite high. The DPI is adjustable from 400 up all the way to 30k, so 30,000. And the weight is approximately 50 grams, 49.5 plus minus 3 grams. This is the box of it. This is the back. Not much to it. It works with Windows and Mac. Tells you what's in the box. And we have some highlighted features, but we already went through all of them. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. That's what you get in the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. And as always, we'll start with the small stuff first. So right here we have an instruction manual. Tells you everything you need to know. It will cover everything from how to connect it, how to change the DPI, warranty settings, and support. Also tells you how to use the display and what the display does. Basically will display the mode that it's connected to and the amount of pulling rate that it's currently running at. So I would suggest give this a read. Again, it will help you understand what this mouse can do and how to get the most out of it. Right here we have the 2.4 gigahertz receiver. This is a dongle which will connect to your PC with this cable. They included a braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable. Obviously the USB Type A bit will go into your device and the USB Type C will either go into mouse to charge it or use it in wire mode, or it will go into the dongle so you can use it in wireless mode. Basically you'll have the dongle somewhere on your desk connected to the cable and your PC, and the mouse will be anywhere, probably on your mouse pad, and it will just work. They have also included some spare skates. We have 3 skates right here, so after you've been running your mouse for a while, it's recommended to change the skates so you can get obviously the most out of it, the best glide experience, I should say. And this is the mouse. It looks absolutely amazing. It's got this exposed carbon fiber look to it, like luxury cars, and I love the fact that it's purple on the front, so it has like a dual tone. And right here we have the side buttons, which are really satisfying to press. We have obviously left and right click and the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel feels absolutely amazing. You can also click on it, so it adds as a button. On the bottom we have a switch right here on my right side between wired, which is in the middle, 2.4 gigahertz, and Bluetooth. And right here we have a DPI button. I'm not a great fan of having a DPI button on the top because sometimes I play games and I like to change the DPI on the fly, but I think you can remap that to one of the side buttons or something. But nevertheless, it's a great mouse. Obviously we have the skates, one in the middle, 2 on the top. The mouse is super lightweight, and I actually love the design of it. If you can see from the side, it's got this curve to it and it fits my hand so good. I might use it as my main mouse for a while, just because it fits it fits absolutely great. Like it's super good, and the weight, I'm actually super impressed. It's so lightweight, you can barely feel it. 50 grams, in considering that it has a built-in battery inside. So absolutely amazing specs. So yeah, pretty much that's it with what you get in the box. Let's go ahead and have it next to our setup, and you guys can see how you look next to a proper setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the mouse looks like when it's fully set up. Actually, it matches my keyboard, which I really love. Basically the exact same colors, and one more reason to keep it as my main gaming mouse, because it just matches. I absolutely love the feel of it, and to make it work, it's super simple. As you can see, it's working right now. So if I press a button or I move it a bit, it will move on the screen. As you can see, it's super responsive as well. All you have to do is just flick it to 2.4 gigahertz mode right there, and after that, make sure you connect the dongle to your device, and it's basically plug and play, ready to go. Again, it's super responsive. Maybe you guys can see how responsive it is, and also it's super satisfying. The clicks are super satisfying, so maybe you guys can hear. Sounds absolutely amazing. If you want to change the DPI, basically press the DPI button, you will display right here on the display. 3200 DPI, 1000 Hertz. Obviously you can change that, they have their own software, but right off the box it's still super responsive. Like, it's amazing how responsive this mouse is. And yeah, if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.